Ugh. Oopsie daisy! That one's on the house!
I say, I didn't request a facial scrub.
Sorry, my mop's got more sass than class.
Tastes like defeat with extra flavor.
Are we baking a pie or seasoning the sidewalk?
Want to generate a classic 2D animation in hand-drawn style like these using Google Veo 3 AI, something that feels like it jumped straight out of the 1930s? Let me show you how to write the perfect prompt, step by step, with a real example that brings characters, chaos, and comedy to life. Here's an example prompt. Classic 2D animation. A cheerful orange cat in a yellow bow tie presents a wobbly pie on a red checkered table at a bustling fair contest area lined with bunting and judges. A snooty gray rabbit in a monocle and purple vest tries to swat a fly but accidentally slaps a clumsy white duck in red suspenders, who stumbles into the table. The pie flips and lands on the head judge's powdered wig. The judge blinks and says, "Tangy," with a hint of shampoo. The cat grins and replies, "That's our secret ingredient." Features hand-drawn frame-by-frame animation and 1930s cartoon style with bold colors and simple shapes. Now that's a perfect prompt, the kind that can generate a hilarious, eye-popping hand-drawn style 2D animation using Google Veo 3, the ultimate free AI video generator. Before we dive deeper, let's run this prompt through Veo and see the magic unfold. To do this, go to Google Flow to access Google Veo 3. If you don't have Veo 3 access yet, don't worry. Just watch this video, where I show you how to get Google Veo 3 for free for the next 15 months using the student offer. Once you have access to Google Veo 3, make sure the Veo 3 model is selected. Paste the prompt in the prompt box. Hit send. Wait a few seconds, and bingo! Here's our hand-drawn 2D animation video generated by Veo 3. Let's preview it.
Tangy, with a hint of shampoo.
That's our secret ingredient.
And wow, it really feels like watching a cartoon movie. So, what makes this prompt work so well? Let's break it down. 1. Prompt start with the main character. This character instantly comes to life. You've got emotion, cheerful, color, orange, and a fun accessory, yellow bow tie. It's emotionally readable and visually memorable. 2. There is strong action or goal in the prompt. The cat has a purpose, and the wobbly part builds tension. It's a perfect setup for something to go deliciously wrong. 3. Scene setting in the prompt. This paints a full environment, colorful, festive, and ready for chaos. The more detailed your setting, the better Veo can animate it. 4. There is a comedic twist or conflict. That's classic cartoon humor, unexpected, physical, and over the top. It sparks the domino effect that's coming next. 5. A chain reaction have been built in the prompt. Cause and effect, clearly laid out. This escalating comedy leads to a satisfying punchline, textbook slapstick. 6. Addition of secondary characters who trigger or react. Their contrasting traits, uptight versus bumbling, create instant comedic tension. It's the kind of dynamic that makes classic cartoons so lovable. 7. Prompt finishes with snappy dialogue. Short, witty, and totally in character. This exchange ties the whole gag together with a laugh. 8. Visual style defined in the prompt. This tells Google Veo exactly what kind of animation to create. No ambiguity, just pure, nostalgic cartoon charm. And that's it. Follow this formula, and you'll have seen stealing 2D animation prompts every time. But wait, that's not all. I've also created a prompt template that follows these exact rules. You can use it to easily craft your own perfect prompt for creating 2D animation. Now, if you want to create a complete short 2D cartoon animation movie in hand-drawn style, I've got you covered, from generating the storyline to bringing each scene to life with Google Veo 3. Just follow the steps carefully. Step 1. Generate the story. First, we need to generate a story for the 2D cartoon animation. To do this, I've created a magical prompt template just for you. Copy this prompt template, then head over to ChatGPT. Paste the prompt into the message box and hit send. In just a few seconds, ChatGPT will generate a short movie story with multiple characters, multiple scenes, and dialogues. You'll see that ChatGPT has created an amazing cartoon story, complete with 5 scenes. Step 2. Turn scenes into animation prompts. Next, we need to convert each of those scenes into the perfect prompts for generating mind-blowing 2D animation videos in hand-drawn style using Google Veo 3. To do that, Go to the prompt template sheet and scroll down. Here, you'll find the prompt that converts written scenes into text-to-video prompts. Copy that prompt. Now go back to the ChatGPT page where we generated the scenes. Paste the copied prompt into the message box and hit send. In just a few seconds, ChatGPT will convert all your scenes into perfect video prompts. You can see that each scene has been transformed into a ready-to-use prompt, formatted for Google Veo 3. Now it's time to bring your cartoon to life. Start with scene 1, copy the first prompt. Then head over to Google Flow, make sure the Google Veo 3 model is selected, paste the prompt, and hit send. Wait a few seconds, and bingo! Scene 1 video is ready. Let's preview it.
Oopsie daisy, that one's on the house.
Now repeat the process for the other scenes. Go back to ChatGPT, copy the prompt for scene 2, return to Google Flow, paste it in, and hit send. A few seconds later, boom! Scene 2 is ready. Let's preview that too.
I say, I didn't request a facial scrub.
Sorry, my mop's got more sass than class.
Do the same for scene 3, scene 4, and scene 5. Now that all the scenes are ready, let's watch the complete cartoon movie from start to finish.
Oopsie daisy, that one's on the house.
I say, I didn't request a facial scrub.
Sorry, my mop's got more sass than class.
Tastes like defeat with extra flavor.
Are we baking a pie or seasoning the sidewalk?
Whoa! That pie's got altitude.
Darling, we're clearly above the competition.
Well, we just got deserted!
Sweet ending, huh?
This bakery has more missiles than manners.
Guess I invented the pastry launcher.
If that pie sneezes again, I'm out of here.
Bless you, dessert. You making pie or taking a batter bath?
Call me the villain.
I didn't know we offered pie delivery by air.
I never ordered Buzz with my berries.
Science is messy.
This is exactly why we don't let you near tools.
What is this? Performance baking?
Showbiz needs snacks.
Wasn't that amazing and mind-blowing? If yes, do me a favor. Hit the like button. Subscribe to my channel, it helps me a ton. And leave your feedback in the comments below. Oh, and I almost forgot. You can find the full prompt template guide on my WhatsApp channel. So go ahead and join now, the link is in the description and pinned comment. That's it for this video. In the next one, we'll learn how to generate comic book style 2D animation using Google Veo 3.
Evil ends here. Justice prevails.
This city is under my protection.